The Bugs 3 Mini. We got a new package in today. Came from gearbest.com. With a battery in. I got the warning sticker here, so we're going to do a unboxing today. I think I ordered the FPV camera too, so I think it's included on the end here. This little bulge here. Yep, the 5810 5.8 gigahertz FPV camera, the C5810 from MJX. And here it is, the Bugs Mini. This is a standard Mini. It does come with anything but the drone, but I ordered the camera, and I already have goggles and so on. So, box is the same on all sides. Nice small box. Let's proceed with the rest of the unboxing. Alright, we're going to get rid of the box there. I know what you're saying. Why are you doing an unboxing of the Bugs Mini? Didn't that come out last year? It did come out last year, but last year the thing was over $100. Now, with the deal I will have for you on GearBest, you can get the Mini and the camera for $65, which last year just the drone alone would have cost you a little bit over $100. So let's open up the rest of it. Here we got the instructions. Instruction booklet. A quick start guide. Very handy just to get up and running. I know a lot of people don't read the instructions. All right, and here it is. Here's the little Mini with a battery in. So the Bugs, battery, propeller is already on. Extra set of props, prop tool and a screwdriver. The battery charger with a little adapter for the proprietary battery there. Prop guards. And as most of these things go, the TX is here on the bottom. And the TX with the good antennas on it. So that is the entire unboxing. The next part of this video will be getting everything set up, charged, and a quick test flight in the front driveway. All right, I'll see you soon. MJX Bugs 3 Mini. All right, today we're going to install the FPV camera in the Bugs Mini. So let's open the package. The camera is the C5810 5.8 gigahertz video camera. A lot of people are fans of the 5.8 gigahertz. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, the box was kind of already open here. Let's pull this out. All right. Well packaged here, like a double thing here. We get a little screwdriver. Probably gonna need that, so we're gonna pull that out now. Comes with a little extra set of screws there, or not extra set, maybe the set of screws. And here is the camera itself. Let's see. Here it is. Here's the camera. It doesn't look like a DVR. I don't see any memory card slot on it. So let's put that to the side for a second. Let's see if we have any instructions. The instructions are kind of on the box. So let's see what they say here. Step 1, remove the upper cover of the aircraft. Pick one. So if any of you are familiar with any of the bugs, or bugs 3, the cover just kind of snaps off. Of course, it's the first time, so it's going to be a little tighter than usual. I've even had a hard crash and seen the cover on the Bug 3 pop off, which is like, this is good. Okay, there's the little cover. Okay, so here's the inside. You can see the little headlight up there, which will be removed in this process, I know. So step 2 would be to, let's see here, to counterclockwise of the screws and then take out the front LED light. All right. So of course, I'll speed this up in the post here. Here's the screws I have to take out. All right, that process is done now. We have a little protective cover here we're going to take off. All right, and now before I put the lid back on again, we're going to, I guess, fire this up. Maybe not. We're going to put the lid on. I'm going to get my screen and we'll see what's happened. Okay, be right back. All right, we were able to successfully install the camera. As you can see here, I have a live video feed, nice and clear. So I just plugged it in. I didn't do anything. There's a little button up here where you can switch the channel on the camera, but I didn't need to do it. I just searched around until I found a real clear channel on the 5.0 gigahertz monitor here. So successfully installed. The next step is to take it outside with the goggles and do a little FPV flying with the Bugs Mini. So thanks for watching this segment, and we'll be back with the test flight hopefully tomorrow. All right, thank you.